Hi everyone, welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Today's dish is buffalo chicken wings served with buffalo sauce. This is a very easy dish to make if you follow step-by-step instructions. Over here, I have my chicken wings, pat dry with paper towels. Now I have salt, black pepper, baking powder, and flour. First, season the chicken wings with salt and pepper on both sides. Add the baking powder and flour to the chicken and toss to coat well. Spray the grates with cooking oil to prevent chicken from sticking. At the same time, preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the chicken wings on the rack or grates on a single layer. Bake for 20 minutes. Now let's make the buffalo sauce. We need unsalted butter, Frank's red hot sauce, white vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, salt, and garlic powder. Heat the butter over medium heat. Please check the description box for the amounts used. Add Frank's red hot sauce and the rest of the ingredients. You may adjust spices and salt according to your taste. Let the sauce thicken slightly. After the first 20 minutes, flip the chicken wings and bake for another 15 minutes. Dip the wings in the buffalo sauce to coat well all over. Transfer back to the baking tray. If the wings are not beautiful for you, feel free to trim them. You know these can be eaten as they are, but I like color on my chicken. So these will go under the broiler for 5 minutes. Now look at the color of the buffalo chicken wings, guys. You may brush more sauce before serving. Save the rest of the sauce to serve as a dip. like to call these buffalo wild chicken wings as they look wild, huh? How many would you eat? Write it in the comment section, please. I will be very happy to get a thumbs up from you for this video, and also if you subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Check out my other videos. I'm sure you will find something useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.